everyone, your girl is here. So I actually forgot to share that video, or I'm sorry, share that audio last night in my video. I also forgot to share that I went to Rainbow. There was literally a store called Rainbow. It's exactly how it literally looked exactly how I have my closet, because it had the red, the orange, the yellow, all the sizes, like spaghetti straps and then regular t-shirts. Is literally, I understand why they called it Rainbow. And then there was also a City Trends, so CITI, but then the Trends is like a yellow, and then Trends. So it was kind of cool. But anyhow, guys, I have to add in those two and then get to this video. I might do another driving video. I'm not sure why my driving videos only ever get about 20 to 30 views. Kind of confused on that, but definitely do another video there, and then get to walk in here this morning with you guys just for a little bit, do some short videos, and then include this video probably at the very end, honestly, of my vlogs for today. So just a final walk. There's just going to be so much positive stuff that I'm not going to know what to do. So I'm just going to have to, just name it, you know, days 4 through 7, so much fantastic stuff. Can't name it all in 100 characters. And even that's probably more than 100 characters for the title. So you guys get the point, but I'm going to make it really a cool title, and I'm going to really get this last video amazing for you guys. So anyhow, guys, talk to you later. Oh my gosh, guys, biggest blonde moment of my trip. Making sure, because I have this back in here in this corner. Obviously you can see all the other stuff is here. And I was just cleaning it out, and look what is down in there, guys. $5 profit lottery ticket. Oh my gosh. What a silly girl I am. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it, guys. But I don't know about you, but I'm not gonna take the time to go. So I think it's open for a year. So maybe next year, right? Like, gosh, it is the last minute. Oh my gosh. Literally, like, I thought I had it open enough, but clearly I didn't. And it ended up being at the wrong, and it ended up sinking down in there. And the shoes completely covered it. But I remember putting it in there. And I even looked there yesterday and threw everything else in there. Oh, I'm going to read the back of the ticket, guys. I might be able to catch it next year. Oh my gosh. So silly, Alyssa.
Alright guys, I can finally see you guys again. So here we go. Those people are already up at their hip. See, I have to watch. I can't. See, once I let my feet sink in, but that's again why I know how to swim. But once I let my feet sink in, oh my gosh. It really hit me there. It's my first big wave, guys. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Get ready. Watch it. Watch how high it comes. Ah. Oh my gosh, guys. Here comes a really, really big one. Here we go. We're getting in. Closer. I'm still going, guys. Pretty soon I'll put you guys under. I don't know why it does that. There it is. Okay. So the screen just kind of goes to sleep. Right up on my... That was like in my stomach, guys. Alright guys, we're gonna dunk you under here in just a second. Almost there. Cruise ship's still way out there, plane's still coming in. So far it's only that one. Oh my gosh, here it comes! Here it comes! Oh! Yeah, guys, you can say salt water for sure. Holy cow. Alright, here we go. I'll put you guys under. Here we go. Holy cow, guys. Insane. Oh yeah, here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Here comes another one. Here, I'm gonna stick it down in. Here comes another one. Holy cow, guys, that is insane. Look at some still coming in. Again, guys, this is pretty good for day one practice. Oh gosh, here it comes. Here she comes. Woo! Very fun. Oh gosh, guys, here it comes, here it comes, here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Here it comes. Holy cow, guys, they're just barreling in here. Holy cow, guys, that was insane. I only maybe got like one seashell. It's coming like way up in here. Holy cow. Look how dirty everything is out there too. All like the brown, whatever that stuff is. Holy cow. Alright guys, now I can do one where you guys actually watch it hit me. And then I'll do my name in the sand. Guys, that was about mid. Oh gosh, here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. That was about my hips. Also my hips. Also my hips. Oh gosh, here's the one, guys. Here it comes. Get ready. Get ready. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Oh, I just missed it. Okay, I just missed that one. Oh gosh, this is the one, guys. I hope that it's filming. Yes, this is the one. Oh yes. You ready? Here it comes, here it comes. No, that's still only at my thigh. There we go. Oh yeah, here it comes. This is the one. Watch, 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 watch. I hope I'm getting good film of it. Here we go. So, right up there. Way on out here. And just the thing, guys, like, you know, if I would have came here in like August or September, I would have never thought of going out like this. But here I am, way out here. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, here it comes, here it comes. You guys can see I almost ate the seawater again, or salt water. that was crazy, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna do some videos on my phone of watching my name delete or fade away.